Hello everyone! The ideas we bring you today are great for your kids to start using scissors. Are you ready? Today we show you 3 activities with scissors with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. For the first activity we will need scissors, a marker, tape and red and brown cardboard. Let's make Leon Storm, Gato Rainbow and Gata Moon's grandfather. Do you remember him? He has the perfect mane for this activity. First I'm drawing his little face on red construction paper, the eyes, the nose and the mouth. And when we have him, we're going to cut it out like this. Now you will see how cool it is. This way we will be able to make many manes and reuse the face so our little ones can practice as much as they want with the scissors. Now on a brown cardboard, I'm making the mane like this, making sure it's proportionate to the face. And I take a couple pieces of cardboard to cut out several manes at the same time. We're cutting it very well along the lines we've drawn. Psst, have you already subscribed to our channel? If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of them. Now we have 2 Leon Storm manes ready. Now we're going to put a little piece of tape rolled up like this. And we're going to use it to glue Leon Storm's face to one of the manes we've made. It's perfect! Look how funny it looks! Now with the marker, we're going to make dotted lines, which will serve as a guide for the kids to know where to cut. It's best to always start with straight lines, obviously, because they're the easiest for them and allow them to control the scissors better. See how good it looks? Now we start cutting, and we can explain to them how important it is to hold the paper well with the other hand while cutting. And it is one of the things that is more difficult for them at the beginning. And once it is cut out, it looks amazing! Leon Storm looks great with this mane. When they finish, if they want to give Leon Storm another makeover, we can make another version with curved lines, which will be a little bit more difficult, but it looks great too, check it out! We'll love it! You can make the lines that you like the most for them to cut. Or even give it to them without lines so that they can give him a haircut as they like. What do you think of this idea? We read you in the comments! And before we show you the next idea, we quickly tell you that on our website you can find many educational resources for your kids. If you want more ideas to work and find more skills, you can filter these resources and see how many they are. We love this one for sewing, and we have a video in which we give you ideas to decorate them. We'll leave it here. Let's continue. For the next activity we need scissors, colored paper, glue, marker, tape and sticks or straws. We cut out the cardboard, making several colored circles, some green leaves and the yellow circles. Let's make some flowers, see? Now we're going to do the same as with the Leon Storm. We're going to make different types of lines on each of the flowers. Straight lines, zigzag lines, and finally curved lines. Beautiful! Now we're going to turn them upside down and put a stick on each of the flowers. We stick it very well with tape. And finish decorating them with a little green leaf. How do you like them? Gata Moon seemed to like it a lot. Now we just give it to the kids to cut them out, following the dotted lines. Some are more difficult than others, so this activity is also useful for older children. And the result of the flowers is great! You can even remove the stick to make it easier for them to cut them out, and then put it on when they're done. What do you think? Let's go with today's last activity. We just need a little bit of PlayDoh and some scissors. It's that easy. The muscles of the hands develop a lot when they play with PlayDoh, and that helps them to be able to cut better later. They usually love to play with PlayDoh, and it's very good that they use toys because, as I said, it will strengthen their hands' muscles a lot. In addition, we can propose an activity to the little ones that combines several things and they have to cut out PlayDoh, something they love. For example, we can ask them to make 2 little Play-Doh stripes, like this, and ask them to make a number, and then they have to cut out that many pieces of Play-Doh. Cutting out Play-Doh is great. If you haven't done it yet, we encourage you to try it too. It's very easy and it helps them to cut out the paper much better afterwards. Which activity did you like the most? Cutting Leon Storm's mane? Cutting flowers? Or cutting Play-Doh? We'll read you in the comments. This week we're not sending any greetings because we're traveling, but if you want a greeting for next week, you can ask for it in the comments. We hope you enjoyed today's video a lot. It is also available in Spanish on our channel. See you next week with a new idea. Bye!